Hi, I'm Rebecca Powers here with 𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃. Of course, he is a fiduciary who has changed so many families' lives with his wonderful retirement planning. A lot of people ask, and we're doing the wins, when to do this, when to do that for a successful retirement. Today, I want to ask you, when you leave a job, should you leave your 401k? I've heard people call it an orphan 401k. What's your advice on that?
Well, when you leave your job, Rebecca, we always advise our clients, and it doesn't matter, 401k, 403b, 457, TSP, we're all company-sponsored plans. When you leave your company, we're always going to advise our clients not to roll them over to the new plan from your new employer. There's lots of reasons for that I'll discuss in just a second, but the whole idea is that we want to roll that money over into an IRA. When you roll that over, there are no tax ramifications whatsoever, but now you have a wealth of opportunities or allocations that you can choose for that IRA going forward. When you're in a company-sponsored plan, you're very limited. Most company plans only will let you, they'll offer you 20 to 50. The most I've ever seen is 70 different mutual funds that you can allocate your resources to, your monies to. But most of those are not the best mutual funds for you to get into for lots of different reasons. Number one, keep in mind, the custodian of the 401k, they have to make a living too.
Right.
So what are they going to offer you? They're going to offer you mutual funds that have the highest fees and expenses built inside of them so they can get paid also. So we almost always want to have our clients roll those monies over into an IRA. And by the way, what were you calling that originally?
I've heard it called an orphan 401k.
Yeah. Well, we have a nickname for that in our office too. We call that a stray 401k. And at my dinner seminars, a lot of times I'll spit out that, hey, you know, we happen to be in the stray 401k adoption business. So let's talk about that if that situation arises for you.
I love it. If you'd like to talk to Skip about that, it is a complimentary consultation, absolutely free, no charge. Go to our website, get an appointment, or give us a call. Thank you so much, Skip.
Thank you.